taking to the skies a new era of travel. For centuries, humans dreamed of flying like birds. We gazed at the sky with wonder, longing to experience the freedom of soaring above the clouds. Today, that dream is a reality. Air travel has become a commonplace part of life, connecting people and places like never before. We can now travel across continents in a matter of hours, something that would have seemed unimaginable just a few generations ago. The impact of this change on our world has been profound, shrinking distances and transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. The evolution of air travel has been marked by incredible feats of engineering and innovation. From the Wright brothers' first flight at Kitty Hawk to the supersonic speeds of Concorde, each milestone has pushed the boundaries of what's possible. However, few aircraft have had as transformative an impact as the wide-body jets that took to the skies in the latter half of the 20th century. These giants of the air, with their immense size and capacity, revolutionized global travel, making it faster, more affordable and accessible to people from all walks of life. Among these aviation pioneers, the Boeing 747 and the Airbus A350 stand out as true icons of the sky. These aircraft represent not only remarkable engineering achievements, but also symbols of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. They have fundamentally reshaped our understanding of distance and time, enabling us to experience the world in ways that were once inconceivable. The story of these aircraft is a testament to human ambition, collaboration, and the power of technological advancement. It is a story that continues to unfold today as we explore new frontiers in aviation and imagine the possibilities of future flight. Let's delve into the history of these sky giants and explore how they have shaped our world. The jumbo jet, a symbol of progress. In the 1960s, air travel was experiencing a surge in popularity. People were eager to explore the world, and airlines needed larger aircraft to meet the growing demand. Boeing, an American aerospace giant, took on the challenge and developed the 747, a plane so large it earned the nickname Jumbo Jet. This groundbreaking aircraft, with its distinctive humped upper deck, could carry over 400 passengers, more than double the capacity of previous airliners. The 747 was a marvel of engineering. Its sheer size posed numerous design and construction challenges, requiring innovative solutions and advanced materials. The wings, for instance, were so large that they had to be built in sections and then carefully assembled. The aircraft also featured 4 powerful engines, a technological feat for its time, which enabled it to achieve impressive speeds and fly long distances without refueling. The 747's maiden flight in 1969 marked a pivotal moment in aviation history. It ushered in the era of wide-body jets and transformed air travel forever. With its increased capacity, the 747 significantly reduced the cost per passenger, making air travel more affordable and accessible to a wider range of people. No longer was flying a luxury reserved for the wealthy. It became a viable mode of transportation for the masses. The 747 quickly became a symbol of progress and globalization, connecting people and cultures across continents. Its impact extended beyond the realm of transportation, influencing trade, tourism, and international relations. The jumbo jet had shrunk the world, bringing distant lands within reach and fostering greater understanding between people from different backgrounds. Airbus A350, efficiency takes flight. As the 21st century dawned, the aviation industry faced new challenges. Rising fuel prices and growing concerns about the environmental impact of air travel demanded more fuel-efficient and sustainable aircraft. Airbus, a European aerospace consortium, rose to the occasion with the A350, a technologically advanced wide-body jet designed for efficiency and passenger comfort. The A350, which entered service in 2015, incorporates cutting-edge materials and design features to minimize fuel consumption and reduce emissions. Its lightweight carbon fiber fuselage and wings along with its aerodynamic shape, contribute to its impressive fuel efficiency. The aircraft is also equipped with advanced engines that deliver optimal performance while minimizing noise pollution. The A350's spacious cabin and advanced air filtration system provide passengers with a more comfortable and enjoyable flying experience. The larger windows offer panoramic views, while the LED mood lighting creates a relaxing ambience. The aircraft is also designed to reduce jet lag, with features that help regulate cabin pressure and humidity. The A350 represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology, demonstrating the industry's commitment to sustainability and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency and reduced emissions have set new standards for long-haul travel, paving the way for a more environmentally responsible future for aviation. Section 4. Shrinking the world. The impact on global travel. The Boeing 747 and Airbus A350, along with other wide-body jets, have fundamentally transformed global travel. They have made long-haul flights more frequent, affordable, and accessible, connecting people and places in ways that were previously unimaginable. These aircraft have shrunk the world, effectively reducing travel time and making it easier for people to experience different cultures and explore distant lands. The impact of these aircraft on the tourism industry has been profound. With more affordable and convenient flights, tourism has boomed, contributing significantly to the global economy. People can now visit iconic landmarks, experience exotic cultures, and witness breathtaking natural wonders with ease. This increased accessibility has fostered greater cultural exchange and understanding, breaking down barriers and promoting tolerance. Beyond tourism, the 747 and A350 have also facilitated global trade and commerce. The ability to transport goods quickly and efficiently across continents has been instrumental in the growth of international trade. These aircraft have enabled businesses to expand their reach, connect with new markets, and participate in the global economy. Moreover, these aircraft have played a crucial role in connecting families and friends separated by distance. They have made it easier for people to stay in touch with loved ones living abroad, fostering stronger personal connections and reducing the emotional toll of physical separation. Students can now pursue educational opportunities in different countries, and professionals can seek career advancements across continents, all thanks to the accessibility of air travel. Section 5. A world brought closer. Cultural exchange and understanding. The ease of travel afforded by the 747 and A350 has had a profound impact on cultural exchange and understanding. By connecting people from different backgrounds, these aircraft have helped break down barriers, dispel stereotypes, and foster a greater appreciation for diversity. The world has become more interconnected, leading to a richer and more vibrant global community. As people travel more, they are exposed to different cultures, customs, and perspectives. This exposure broadens horizons, challenges preconceived notions, and promotes tolerance and empathy. Travelers return home with new insights, a greater understanding of the world, and a deeper appreciation for their own culture and heritage. The increased interaction between people from different countries has also led to greater collaboration in various fields, including science, technology, medicine, and the arts. The exchange of ideas, knowledge, and expertise has fueled innovation, driven progress, and contributed to solving global challenges. Moreover, the accessibility of air travel has made it easier for people to connect with their roots and explore their ancestry. Individuals can now visit the countries their families emigrated from, trace their heritage, and gain a deeper understanding of their family history. This reconnection with cultural roots strengthens personal identity and fosters a sense of belonging. Section 6. The future of flight innovation continues. The story of the Boeing 747 and Airbus A350 is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. These aircraft, which have shrunk our world and connected people like never before, represent significant milestones in the evolution of aviation. However, the quest for innovation continues, driven by the need for even more efficient, sustainable and comfortable air travel. Engineers and designers are constantly exploring new technologies and materials to improve the performance of aircraft. From advanced engine designs to lightweight composite materials, the focus is on reducing fuel consumption, lowering emissions and minimizing the environmental impact of air travel. The development of alternative fuels, such as biofuels, is also a key area of research, aiming to reduce the industry's reliance on fossil fuels. The future of flight may also involve new aircraft designs, such as blended wing body aircraft, which offer improved aerodynamic efficiency and reduced noise levels. Supersonic and hypersonic flight, once limited to Concorde, is also being revisited with the potential to drastically reduce travel times for long-haul flights. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking aircraft take to the skies. These aircraft will continue to connect people, cultures and economies, further shrinking our world and shaping our future in profound ways. The journey of aviation is far from over. It is a continuous evolution driven by human curiosity, ingenuity, and the desire to push the boundaries of what's possible.